If you want to speak English, you must learn some short questions. There are some questions that we must learn because these questions are needed every day to speak English. If you know these, you can speak English confidently. Besides, you will easily learn how to ask questions in English and you can create many questions on your own. So, let's get started. May I speak to you? May I speak to you? May I speak to Bill? May I speak to Bill? Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Are you able to swim? Are you able to swim? Did he propose to you? Did he propose to you? Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel? May I sit next to you? May I sit next to you? Do you want to be rich? Do you want to be rich? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Would you like to wait? Would you like to wait? Are you ready to go out? Are you ready to go out? Why don't you come in? Why don't you come in? Can we talk in private? Can we talk in private? Can I see that one? Can I see that one? Why did she do that? Why did she do that? Is that answer right? Is that answer right? Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Do you know that hotel? Do you know that hotel? Is that a picture of me? Is that a picture of me? How high is that mountain? How high is that mountain? Is she at home? Is she at home? Is she married? Is she married? Where is Paris? Where is Paris? Is anybody home? Is anybody home? How is your dad? How is your dad? What time is it? What time is it? Who is that man? Who is that man? Is he still here? Is he still here? Who built it? Who built it? Can you find it? Can you find it? Can you handle it? Can you handle it? May I put it here? May I put it here? What does it mean? What does it mean? When does it begin? When does it begin? Will it rain today? Will it rain today? How did you make it? How did you make it? Is it far from here? Is it far from here? When did you buy it? When did you buy it? Was I wrong? Was I wrong? How was your day? How was your day? When was she born? When was she born? Was the movie good? Was the movie good? How was the math test? How was the math test? What will you use it for? What will you use it for? Can you mail this for me? Can you mail this for me? Are you ready for the trip? Are you ready for the trip? Should I wait for you here? Should I wait for you here? What is on the desk? What is on the desk? Can I turn on the TV? Can I turn on the TV? What's going on here? What's going on here? Will the train leave on time? Will the train leave on time? Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.